As of 2025, your iPhone offers several powerful built-in methods to scan business cards directly into your contacts, completely eliminating the need for third-party apps. These methods leverage significant advancements in OCR technology and artificial intelligence to accurately extract contact information from business cards with remarkable precision. There are three primary built-in methods available on your iPhone. The first is through the Camera app, which uses live text technology to detect and extract contact information in real time. The second method uses the Contacts app directly. This approach provides contact-specific optimization and automatically formats fields like name, phone number, email, and address for immediate saving. The third method involves the Notes app integration. You can scan business cards into Notes using the document scanner, then use live text to extract and transfer information to your contacts. This method is particularly useful for batch processing multiple cards. With iOS 17 and later versions, these scanning processes have become significantly more user-friendly and accurate. The improvements include enhanced text recognition, better field detection, and streamlined user interfaces. For optimal performance, it's recommended to use an iPhone with an A12 Bionic chip or newer. Additionally, ensuring good lighting conditions is crucial for accurate text recognition and successful contact extraction. The first and most straightforward method uses your iPhone's built-in camera app with live text recognition. This method works on iOS 15 and later, with best results on iOS 17 and newer. Simply open your camera app and point it at the business card. When live text detects the text, you'll see a yellow indicator appear. Tap this indicator to select the contact information. The system will automatically extract the contact information and allow you to save it directly to your contacts with about 89% accuracy for standard business cards. The second method uses the Contacts app's built-in scanning feature. This approach is optimized specifically for contact information and often provides better field formatting. Open the Contacts app, tap the plus icon to add a new contact, then select Scan Business Card from the menu. This method automatically formats fields like name, phone, email, and address. This method allows immediate editing before saving and uses contact-specific optimization for better field recognition. The third method uses the Notes app's document scanner, which is particularly useful for batch processing multiple business cards or when you want to keep a visual record. In the Notes app, create a new note, tap the camera icon, and select Scan Documents. After scanning the business card, use live text to extract and transfer the information to your contacts. This method is excellent for keeping a visual record of business cards and processing multiple cards in sequence. For maximum scanning accuracy, proper technique is essential. Following these optimization tips can significantly improve your success rate. First, ensure proper positioning. Hold the business card flat and maintain a distance of 6 to 8 inches from your camera lens. This distance provides optimal focus for text recognition. Lighting is crucial for accurate text recognition. Use natural light when possible, or ensure bright, even artificial lighting. Avoid shadows and glare on the card surface. Card condition also affects accuracy. Clean cards scan 23% more accurately than worn or damaged ones. Make sure the card surface is clean and free from creases. Now let's clear the screen and discuss accuracy and limitations you should be aware of. Understanding the accuracy rates and limitations helps set proper expectations. Standard business cards achieve about 89% accuracy with current iOS technology. Standard business cards with clear, readable fonts achieve the highest accuracy rates. However, certain design elements can pose challenges for the recognition system. Common challenges include decorative fonts, unusual layouts, dark backgrounds, low contrast designs, and very small text below 8-point size. Embossed or textured cards may require multiple scanning attempts. These built-in methods offer a privacy-centric approach, processing all data directly on your device without requiring cloud connectivity. This ensures your contact information remains secure and private.